Ubah kem farmer menyang MLA karambra jengam ke bodanru ia kacaka ke bakam cuat bha hakani kawat ke baar jong kecing penkre nak benta bani pynbeit uput sam hapdeng ke sarkar Meghalaya bat ke Assam ulapan pau bat don kam banle suki bat janai bha kenang bakinyo ia ke jimenjur nai paidbah bat ru na baro kibai don bentalang habai keren bat kilat thai kubor ubah kem fa ulong halo ke jingsha panhap no kilai tili kisnong ja Assam hadien ke jingsoi ya ke MU jong kawat kaban kong banya pynbeit uput sam ulong ba ke dei namar ke jimbam le janai bha halo ke jingsorbe house nam arja khatwei hakiba ki tei kisnong kimsem ladan su hapo kamap hanrei hakani kawat kabar nginile banwanra byang ki sham Meghalaya.
Actually, after the first phase, we have seen that due to some reasons which we are not able to comply with the demands of the people, there are some protests from 2-3 villages, which in 2011 maybe proper survey has not been done and they were left out of the map. So in the second phase, we'll try to go in a slower pace in order to will take more time so that we can take the confidence of the people, and together with all the villagers, the headman, the himas, in order to gain the confidence of the people. And slowly by doing this, I think so we'll try to avoid as many agitations as possible from the public side, and we'll gain the confidence of our people in the border areas. You see, agitations has been there from time to time, but if you take it in a good side, maybe this government has tried its best to bring the issue of the border and to solve the issue. So I don't think so there'll be much of a problem during the election, but I can see that people in the border area wanted to be in Meghalaya side. So we'll try to, like in the first phase, the regional company, we have gone with the willingness of the people. So in the same way, in the second phase also we'll go in order to get back all the villages and the confidence of the people. Yes, we've been taken up with the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister regarding this. Hopefully during the second phase, we'll try to bring back the 3 villages which has been left out of the first phase, and we'll try to bring back to Meghalaya side.
Bakim, your area is considered to be one of the tougher areas. And do you think that you'll be able to resolve this problem before the elections?
That's what we've been thinking. Like during the second phase, we'll try to do it in a slower manner, in order, like we can gain all the villages. We won't do as suddenly as in the first phase we did it. We'll take our time and we'll try to convince the people like what we are doing is for the benefit of the border people. If you look during the survey in 2011, most of the villages has been left out. So we cannot blame anyone. Whatever mistake has been done, we have to correct them. Now we have to correct them. So slowly we'll try to speak to the Chief Minister of Assam also through our Chief Minister, and we'll try to solve this problem by bringing them back to Meghalaya.